Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. This is the daily vocabulary booster wherein we cover 5 new words every day along with their meaning, synonyms and their usage. And these words are picked up from the Hindu editorial. Before we start with the video, don't forget to take up a free mock test provided by Oliveboard for any bank or government exam that you are preparing for by clicking on the link that is given to you in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. The first word for today is coherent, which is something that is logical and consistent. So, the synonyms of coherent are reasonable, rational, sound or cogent. The usage is the government failed to develop a coherent economic strategy. That means the government could not develop a very consistent and logical economic strategy while forming the policies. The next word is culpability, which is responsibility for a fault or wrong. So the synonyms of culpability are blame, guilt, fault or responsibility. So the usage is he was held culpable for all that had happened. That means if any incident or any wrong incident had occurred, a person was held culpable for it or he was held faulty for that particular incident. The next word is debacle, which is a sudden and ignominious failure. So the synonyms of debacle are a fiasco, failure, catastrophe, disaster or disintegration. The usage is the collapse of the company Lehman Brothers was described as the greatest financial debacle in the US history. So that means with the failure of Lehman Brothers, there was a huge sudden failure in the history of United States. The next word is disenchantment, which is a feeling of disappointment about someone or something you previously respected or admired. So if a person or if we look up to a person with very much or with a lot of respect and suddenly due to something that they do we feel disappointed, that is when we use the term enchantment. The synonyms are disillusionment, disappointment, dissatisfaction or discontent. The usage is the growing disenchantment with the leadership of the party could be clearly seen. So with the party based on the leadership we can see the feeling of disappointment in the people. And the last word for today is laissez-faire, which is the policy of leaving things to take their own course without interfering. So we don't really interfere with the policy, we let the policy choose its course. The synonyms are free enterprise, private enterprise, free trade, individualism or non-intervention. The usage is the problems began long before he became the CEO, but they worsened with his laissez-faire attitude. So the attitude of the new CEO with respect to leaving things in the middle and not looking at them made the problems bigger. So those were the 5 new words we learned today. You can learn more new words by clicking on the link that is given to you in the description box. Do like this video and share it with your friends to improve their vocabulary. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.